Wait, hey. Do you remember the rain? Cause I remember the pain, the stains that's left when shit went banging. Everybody that's moved around and I was the only one left. I remember chopping them long ass nights outside the low, trying not to get checked. I done seen niggas suicide, they hate their friends over bitches. That shit is a mess. That shit get vicious, might need you a vest. Since the issue, I empty the vec. The rest start blowing, they was trying to give me a text. Wait on for this text. He tried to run, but he went too quick on the speed. He got shot all up in the neck. He screaming and running all up in the ground. He said, this shit right here for worse than the mace. This ain't about you, but it feel about you. These shoes be perfect, don't touch to the lace. Cause I got a big ass Drake, no need for the chase. Make you feel like you running the place. 220 on the dash is way too fast. Tab 150 and run from Jake's. Damn, that went too fast. Burning their ass, but there ain't no rules in the race. Do you remember the rain? Cause I remember the pain, the stains that's left when shit went banging. Everybody that's moved around and I was the only one left.